Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be telling you guys about Photopea. And you might be wondering, what exactly is Photopea, and why am I showing it to you? Well, this is basically what I use to make thumbnails or covers, and it's just an amazing alternate to Photoshop. Because Photoshop is expensive, and not everyone has it. It is a bunch of the tools that you would usually have in Photoshop. Let me actually I'll just open an image up from here. They have some stock images you can use. And just show you what you can do. It has all the tools basically you can do and use. So whatever you want to do, you can basically do on here. So it's pretty much Photoshop for free. If you don't want to have to use on your web browser, you just want to not do it on your web browser, that's totally fine. You can download their app. And in here I just had my logo. It's how I made it. You can do a bunch of cool layer settings like you can normally do in Photoshop. Let's say I wanted to do a bevel/emboss. Or however that's pronounced. I can literally do it as much as I want. It's not laggy normally, it's just because I'm recording with it. Okay, on that, I can make it look all nice and really cool. So if I wanted it to be a bit more three-dimensional, which now that I'm looking at is actually pretty nice, might consider that. So yeah. I just wanted to feel like showing this to you guys. It's a great Photoshop alternate and it's completely free. I'll put the link in the description. So yeah.